Hello everyone. If you are looking for the very easiest way to reach your product to the targeted customers, this video is very helpful for you. Please watch till the end. I will tell the step-by-step procedure to reach the targeted customers through Facebook ads. First of all, you need to open the Chrome or Google anything else and enter business.facebook.com login. When you log into this page, the page will be look like this. Then if you have Facebook account, then log in with Facebook. If you have Instagram account, then log in with Instagram. If you log in Instagram, if I have already created an account, so it's directly ended in this page. If not, it will show the login page to log in the account. It will show it's my page gadgets underscore, this is the name of the page. And down to do list, these the ads I have boosted before. These are the recent posts I have posted in my page. These are the recent ads I have uploaded to reach the targeted customers. This is not needed for us. First of all, we need to upload the ad video to the Instagram page that you have login here. I am trying to sell the product to sell this product, so I have uploaded the ad video of the product to my Instagram page. Then it will be show here, and there is a button called boost. Click the boost button. The page look like this. Get more messages. You need to get more messages to sell the product, so I am clicking the first option. Then these are not needed. Here is the audience. I have entered the 5-in-1 kit I have created before. If you need to create it from the scratch, enter the option create new. This is my audience. 5-in-1 kit, this is the name, and select the gender. All means it include men and women. If men, we can include men, and if woman, woman. I select all. Then age. If you prefer the limited age, then enter from 18 to 25 or 18 to 30 or 25 to 50. It's your targeted customer, depend on the targeted customers. Then the location, you need to enter the location where your targeted customers are present and where you need to reach the customers. These are the interested. I'm selling the product that is used to clean the keyboards, headsets, and electronic accessories. So I'm selected the targeted customers as tablet computer, desktop computer, computer monitor, keyboard. These are the keywords that were related to the product, who were use who need this product for the use of cleaning it. So I am giving these are the interested. Then move down, and there will be option save audience. I will save the audience. This is the first step you need to enter. Then select the starting date and ending date. It start by the today, end by the date. Uh, if you don't need to change if the ad will run at the time. Now I am running the ad for 1 day because I need only limited amounts. You need my balance is 198 rupees only. So I am clicking 1 day ads for this is the minimum payment you need to pay per day. It will depend on your wish. If you increase it, the I will run the ad with a limited amount for 1 day. I entered 1 day here, and this is a limited amount, minimum amount to run for today. Then there is an option called boost now reel. Enter it. This will be submitted. It will take few minutes. Yes, your ad is being created, and it will run for review. Then your ad is in review. If you try to click the view ad, it will show the budget. Today's budget 90. This is the minimum amount you need to. You depend upon your estimated cost. It will varies. If you try to give 500 rupees per day, the targeted customers audience will be increases. Now I am giving 90 rupees per day, and GST will be 18 percentage of it, the total amount. This is the fund that I have in my account. Within 5 to 6 minutes, the ad get active, and your ad will reach the targeted customers that you have given before. If you have any queries about this, please make a comment below and share this video to everyone. If you need any type of video, please write it on the comment. I will make it the next video for you. Thank you.